Antalya, the dazzling gem of the Mediterranean, captivates millions of visitors each year with its unique natural beauty, rich historical texture, and warm hospitality. This exceptional city is a veritable paradise for holidaymakers, boasting crystal-clear seas, golden sands, and stunning beaches. Konyaaltı and Lara are just two of the renowned beaches known for their clear waters and expansive coastlines. Beyond its coastal allure, Antalya also offers nature lovers irresistible opportunities with its lush valleys hidden at the foothills of the Taurus Mountains, impressive waterfalls, and mysterious caves. Rich in historical and cultural heritage, Antalya invites visitors to explore the traces of the past through its ancient cities. World-famous ancient sites like the Aspendos Theater continue to host various art events, bridging the past and present. The narrow streets, historic houses, and vibrant atmosphere of Kaleiçi offer a journey through time in the heart of Antalya. Each corner of Antalya tells a different story, offering unforgettable memories with its nature, history, and culture. With every step, a new discovery awaits, and every glance offers a memorable view, making Antalya not just a holiday destination, but a mesmerizing world waiting to be explored. Discover the Turkey's hidden gems through our daily videos. Subscribe to Walk Together and join the adventure.